Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss Cecee. We fitting to do the raw and uncut. Get ready with me, girl. I just washed my hair and blow dried it. I'm fitting to go back out of town. I just got in town, so I'm finna go back out. So I just came back from North Carolina, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my hair while I'm doing it. I'm already dressed, ain't much to it. I just got some long sleeve, little gray shirt on, little Walmart shirt. And I got my little leggings on, my little exercise leggings. Something I could be comfortable in because we are going to Alabama. And if you guys have been really watching me for a while, you know that I live here in Georgia. So it's kind of like a 4 or 5 hour drive depending on traffic going through Atlanta. So yeah. So we're going to do hair first. Got my little tie here, because what I'm going to do is rock my ponytail today. When I don't have my braids in, I love a good ponytail. Because I've been watching Phoebe Rome. She be having some nice ass weaves. I've been natural for 3 years. Let's go ahead and pin that Roni down. All right, she look cute. But she needs some reinforcements. Got my eco style. If you guys have not checked out my last video, I mean, I lost a couple of subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie, I did. I'm feeling like I care, but I think what I said about being gay, boop, boop, touched some people's emotions. Because you just cannot go around asking people why they become something or something like that. You know, that's irrelevant nowadays. That's so disrespectful, you know, for someone to even ask that question. Hell, I probably got a dislike on this video, but you know what? It's all good. People watch YouTube for some entertainment, huh? Like, I've been at 500 subscribers for over a month, so I still need to go ahead and do my videos. But like I said, I do it because I like it. So if I'm on vacay and I don't do my videos, I'm on vacay. I've been enjoying it, my vacation. At my job, I get 2 weeks. So my next vacation is going to be cruise time. She don't like to be on camera, to be honest about it. But if I'm going to do a vlog, damn it, you're going to be on damn camera, girl. So you might as well suck it up. I'm just going to have to weasel and finesse her to be on camera. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Savannah casino boat. So anyway, we went on a casino boat for Solly. This is in the shade. Glazed, the jelly bean. I wanted to put some highlight on. And my mom, she doesn't get sick like me. I get sick. I got sick. So I was miserable, to be honest. I was totally miserable. Now, she's done been in the army and stuff like that, so things like that doesn't, you know, ruffle her feathers. But me, I was like, oh, girl, I got so sick. Plus, I was drinking, girl. When I tell you that ship was rocking like no other, oh, I said, hell no. I'm not getting on nobody else's boat. So my wife, she was like hesitant to book this cruise because of the bad experience I had on the casino boat. But she was like, you know what, babe? This is nothing compared to that casino boat, because the casino boat was a little small. And it was so cold on it. I mean, it was freaking cold. But anybody else there probably love it because, you know, it's a casino boat. Everywhere you turn, there's a machine. Finna go on vacay, so I'll take my little bag. I wasn't used to boats anyway. So, yeah. Got some Benefit Professional. I'll put some of this in my pore areas. She was like, Sean, it is not going to be nothing like this because this is a small boat and you are going to be on a cruise ship. And I'm like, girl, for real. Make it so bad, we are going on a, what is it, 6 day, 7 night? Or is it 7 days, 6 night? One of the two. One or two. Anyway, that's a long damn time to be on a boat, girl. So how long am I on this camera? I can't see it because I got it flipped to the other side. I'm using my back face camera, so if you guys is wondering. So it's not like I'm looking at myself. I'm actually looking in the mirror, and I'm looking at my mirror over here. Yeah, I got to make sure y'all straight. All right, so I'm going to use the NARS in the Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Cadiz. And I'm going to use my Tried and True, the Super Stay by Maybelline 24-Hour Full Coverage in the shade 334 Warm Sun. Do together, y'all know I'm a cake face girl. I love this. I love the cake. So where's my plates? All right, so I'm going to mix them together. Here go my chocolate mousse. Oh, and if you are new Thank you for subscribing. And if you have stayed, thank you. I haven't done my brows yet. I will do that after I apply my application to my face. And I'm not going to do like heavy eyeshadow or anything like that because, girl, this video will be hella long if I do that. You feel me? Y'all, I'm not a political person or anything like that. But I really want to know what you think about this president's shit that's going on. The scandals, girl. The scandal. Do y'all really think that Trump is going to get impeached? Leave it in the comments down below. If y'all think Trump is going to get impeached for the foolery that he has been doing, please leave your comment down below. I would love to know. I know we don't have to get in the debate or anything like that. We don't have to be all physical and shit. If you feel like he's going to get impeached, just put up there, yes, ma'am, in capital letters with a heart, red. If you don't think he's going to get impeached, put up there, hell no, and a thumbs down. But we're not going to get, like, really political about it because, you know, some people, like, they don't want you talking about Trump. Girl, look at that, look at that. What a girl, that's full coverage. I was thinking about using my NARS Radiant Creamy, but I don't want to look, like, so highlighted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Born This Way. Now, I'm going to take this with me because you turn up, you know, you want to turn up. I'm going to put this in a bag. But for now, I just want to put just something on my face to get me by the way. So I'm going to use my Born This Way in the shade Butterscotch. I'm going to use my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I haven't used this forever. Even though this is in the shade Medium 4G as in golden, it's kind of like a little highlight, but it's not too highlight. I can actually control this because the doe foot is off the chain. I'll show you in a minute. So let's blend it in a little bit. So what I normally would do, as I will do any other video, now this is Chestnut out of the NYX Face Duo Highlight and Sculpt. And I get this little mustache area like a corrector. This foundation look bomb. All right, here go the doe fit on that. Look how it's kind of like round up top. And you get a lot of product up there, so I can actually control how much product I use. Both of those are going in the bag. That Radiant Creamy, I think, is in Medium Dark Biscuit. Medium Dark 1 Biscuit. All right, it was a thing going on Twitter. It was an Asian couple that just got married. And this is not fun. This is fucked up. Woo. You know how you feed each other the cake? He was feeding her cake, and she ate her cake, all right? And the way she was, like, eating the cake, it was like she was holding her head down like this, mispleased or displeased at what she was going through at the time, especially with marriage. She's going to feed him the cake. He slapped the crap out of her. But okay, so he slapped the dog crap out of her, right? The family was like, yo, you can't be doing that in front of us. And he was looking like it didn't even bother him. Like, well, she shouldn't have tried to embarrass me. You know, that's how he was looking. I mean, I'm just going by what I'm seeing. But the way the lady was acting, the wife, it's like she did not want to marry him anyway. You know what I mean? Correct me if I'm wrong. If any or the tradition that do go by this, the arranged marriages, like that the male have sole control of you. I mean, comment down below and let me know because I really want to know because I thought that was like crazy. For him to slap her like that in front of the family? Had that had been my family. Oh Lord, I done dropped my beauty blend. My family, he pulled that shit. Child. Oh, girl, that whole damn little scene will be towed up. You hear me? Chairs will be flying everywhere. Fuck the cake. The family, even though they kind of like pushed him and was like, dude, what you doing? The way they did it is like to say it's all right, but don't do it again. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it again in front of us or something. You know, just the reaction was like weird as get out. So, oof. Like my grandma say, child. Had that had been my family. What husband? And my mom like, okay, this is arranged. Got some of my Milani in the shade medium. And I'm actually going to set up under my eyes with it. Arranged or not arranged. Put your hands on me, fool. You brave. Come on with it. Come on with it, Cletus. Come on, Cletus. I do want to go ahead and bronze. So let me get my little bronzer. The NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. It's been a while since I bought this out, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get some of that. I'm gonna contour my nose with the same bronzer. I don't want to make it look so skinny, so I just take it from the inside of my brow since they're not done. Just go just like this. Bloop. So I'm not trying to make my nose skinny. I just like to enhance my bridge in my nose because I think it's perfect. Y'all noticed that the trees is already blooming? Blush. Let's go ahead and do some blush. Milani. This is in a Rose de Aura, number 2. I'm all right with early spring. Only thing about that is that I don't want it to be rainy like every day like it's been doing now. Maybe we can just get like a nice spring. But anyway, I'm gonna add some highlighter. I do like to mix these two, but I'm not gonna mix them today. I just want to put some molten gold on top, just a little bit. Some there. Ooh. Pat some there, pat some there. Let me point this out, right? Because I did say I was gonna do a giveaway. Because like I said, a lot of people has unsubscribed from me. And I want to make sure the ones that, ooh, that's pretty, that's going to participate in this giveaway are going to stay subscribed. That makes sense. So I'm still going to do a giveaway. It's just not going to be as soon as I said, because I'm supposed to be doing it the end of the month. So, yeah. And where I'm going in Alabama, they are very into having black products. Because a lot of these Walmart do not carry black products because they feel like the diversified area to carry black products. I think I'm going to switch it up and get some either Amon or some more black radiance or even some black opal. I don't know, but my Walmart do not carry that. No Amon, no black opal, no black radiance. Seems like anything with a black, they don't carry it. But anyway, I'm not going to do a lot of eye color. Matter of fact, I'm finna put some of that bronzer on top of my eyelids. So I'm going to use my Sephora lashes in the Lash Story. This is in the Festival Love. I'm going to put these on. 4.5 and Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and my NYX Espresso. Oh, just want to give something on the crease area. But I do want to pop some of this molten gold on top. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. It's pretty enough. I'm waiting on my lash glue to dry. Wet n Wild. This is their first gel lip pencil that they made. This is in the shade Gaunt Burgundy. And I really like it. It looks good with that Milani Armor Shine. Milani Armor Shine. This is no stranger to my channel. It is the liquid lip color in the shade Addiction, number 12. I love the applicator on this thing. It's like a little point up there, like a cone. I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bank and the Benefit Cosmetics Mascara. Hi, bottom lashes. How did y'all like those magic shoes that I showed y'all in my last video if you checked it out? Actually, I need to show you what my feet look like now because it's been a week. All right, let's do the hair. Come on, Sasha girl. She's got 2 combs and a jaw strap, so she ready, girl. Get one of the combs. Attach the first comb up top. Let's put the rest of the hair in the bun. Let's do the other comb back here in the back. All right, drawstring, get ready to pull. Take the clip on the drawstring and let's pull her in. And I like to take the drawstring and just tuck her. She gives all kinds of tea, okay? She is like the type of person that just ruffles everybody's feathers. Throw some earrings on. I think I may have got these from Rue 21. All right, y'all, let me spray my face. That will be it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I kind of failed at the unedited part, but guess what? It's best for me to keep this video short and sweet for you guys because I do want you to watch it all the way through. Some of y'all like to skim through some shit, but if you have not already hit the subscribe button, please do, and please give me a big, huge like under this video. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, go ahead. Please check them out too. They are all in my playlist. Till next time, bye.